Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to uninstall facemoji keyboard on Xiaomi. It's mean in my Xiaomi is a Bitmoji. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the settings. And after that you can slide away until you find about the additional settings. And let's go to the language and input, and go to the current keyboard here. You can tap here if you want to see about the Bitmoji keyboard. Okay, how to make it uninstall? You can go to the back, you can go back and tap on the about phone. Okay, after that you can tap the storage, and let's go to the apps and data. And after that, search about the Bitmoji. You can tap on the Bitmoji, and you can tap for the uninstall app in the below. Tap on. All data app will also be deleted if you uninstall the app. Okay, tap on the OK. And uninstall is successful. Okay, go back to the additional apps, additional settings, tap on, and let's go to the languages and input, and the current keyboard here, tap on, and the Bitmoji is on install for your Xiaomi. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to uninstall Bitmoji or facemoji keyboard on Xiaomi. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video and have a nice day. Bye.